Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra2 and today I'm going to show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. So let's get started. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the home button. Then swipe up on the screen to open the menu like this. Scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon and then tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called sound and vibration, and once you find it, tap on it, of course. Then scroll down and look for the vibration option, like this one, and tap on it. And here we have duration, and we have short and long, and we have also the intensity. So you can select the options you like. You have previews of them. You probably can't hear it, maybe if I place it on the desk. And then light and strong. So select the ones you like, and once you're done, you can press the back button a few times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.